In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a light bulb on an overhead microwave. And this is really simple, and it's going to be about the same for most microwaves, but you might not know where to start. So in my case, this is an LG LMV1831ST, but like I said, it should work for yours. Underneath the microwave is where your light bulb is. So it's behind this glass panel. And to take this down, you have one Phillips screw right here. We'll just take that right out. Very short screw. And then this door will kind of swing down. Some of these will come off completely. And this one has kind of a little hinge. And your light bulb is right here. Now, if this is the first time you're changing your bulb, or if it's a new microwave, then there might be a little resistance when you go to unscrew this. Because what they do is they'll put a little tiny dab of glue on the bulb. You can see right here and right here. And they just do that for during shipping, that it doesn't rattle around or fall out. This is a 30-watt bulb. It says KEI 125 volt, 30 watt on it. It has an E17 base, but yours might be different. So mine's working fine. I'm just going to put it back in here. I'm just doing this to show you how to do it. Just carefully start it. Make sure it's good before you go crazy tightening it. And just hand tight like that. And then swing your door back up this way. And what I like to do is I like to put the screw on my screwdriver like this and feed it through here. And then look at an angle so that I can see where it goes, make it easier to reinstall. Like that. And then make sure the screw goes in nice and easy. Sometimes I go backwards like that to make sure I don't cross thread it. And once I know I'm good, carefully tighten it, not too much, just like that. And you're good to go. So if you needed to change your bulb, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.